Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you step by step how I painted this abstract portrait using poster colors. In step 1, start drawing with a rough sketch or outline of the portrait you wish to paint. I am drawing the sketch of a Rajasthani man with his big turban. Do pay attention to the eyes. Once you are satisfied with the sketch, start drawing the grid lines using a ruler. And then erase the extra lines in the eyes and outside of his face. Now take out the colors. And here I don't know why and how, but my camera just turned off. All I did was painted the boxes in parts. In the first part I painted the box in the shade of blue and then green, red and yellow. In this part I am going for a gradient multicolor effect. You can create the different shades by mixing a little bit of the adjoining secondary colors. Here I have used the yellow color as a base, and then I have added little bit of green, little bit of blue and little bit of red here and there for the gradient multicolor effect. It's completely up to you. You can also finish this by just adding yellow color. For the face I used various shades of brown. You can create multiple shades of brown by mixing little quantity of all the colors like white, yellow, red, green, blue in varying proportions. You can also use acrylic colors in the place of poster colors. Once it's finished, the effect turns out really well. Don't forget the ears and his earrings. I painted the eyebrows and his mustache in the shades of black and grey. Once you're done with the painting, draw the entire outline using a brush marker, or you can also use the black paint with a regular brush. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.